Shalom, giving all praise unto the Most High and His beloved Son, Yahweh Shai. Today I'm going to be making a quick and easy seasoned rice. So catch me on the next cooking adventure. Shalom. Yes, family, today I'm on my channel. I'm going to be making some all-in-one saltfish with pumpkin coconut rice. So catch me in one may I go through the steps. So right here, me have an pot, me I boil off my saltfish. So in this pot, I've got some butter, onion, garlic, and carrot. So I'm gonna do saute them up for a little bit. So right here on my cutting board, I've got some pumpkin, broadleaf thyme, fine leaf thyme, and tomato. So I'm gonna add this to the pot. So right now, adding the saltfish to the pot. Adding some pimento seed to the pot. Adding a pack of chicken noodles. Chicken noodle. Adding some water to the pot. Adding to the pot some coconut milk powder. Adding some cayenne pepper. So I'll add the rice to the pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this boil up. So this should only take like 15 to 20 minutes to finish cook. Yes, family. So if you like that recipe, you can always drop it down in the comment section. I will share them with you. Shalom.